Let's see how to create your own real estate agency website in just 2 minutes and showcase your offers with a professional website. First, log into the Zegashop.com website. Then click the Start Free Trial button at the top right. Next, fill in your email address. Then enter your company name. After that, proceed to the next step. Fill in your name, surname, address, country, city, postal code, phone number, password, and repeat the password. In the comment field, write the purpose for which you are opening the website. Then click the Enter Your Store button. Wait a moment while the system generates your website. Here is the admin management area of your website. You can access your initial website by clicking the Visit My Store link. To purchase a website design, log in to Zegashop.com again. Then click the Sign In link and enter the email address and password you used to register the website. Next, click Themes and Plans, then Append New Themes. Browse to find a suitable design and open its internal page. Click the Try Theme button. The chosen website design will then appear in your main admin control panel. To activate it, click the Pay to Activate button, where you will see the price of the design. To make a payment, select Credit Card and fill in the required fields in the window that opens. Credit card details, name, surname, address, phone number, city, country, and then click Confirm to purchase the design. After completing the payment, you will see Install Default Data under your preferred design option. This step activates your chosen design. Follow the instructions and the selected design will appear on your website. After completing these steps, open your registered website, update it, and check the results. You can manage the website from the administration panel, which you can access by visiting your website URL followed by /admin. You also need a domain name so that your website opens under your business name. If you have any questions, contact us via live chat.